The NB Network with Dee's Fodder.
Hello! Welcome to the NB Network. It's me, Dee. And we're going to be doing an unboxing. It's a little different from my other unboxings. And you're like, how so? We're doing Trendmood box. This box is bulky. It's heavy. It's been unopened. It's been sitting here for a week or so. I took a week off, even though there were still videos, because I had plenty of videos backed up. Because I thought I was going to be having a bunch of stuff happening here around the house and yard work and trees taken down because of the damage from winds and snow. But that didn't happen. But I ended up, I had gotten the COVID shot and got my first dose. And, I was really loopy-headed. More so than I normally am. And that's scary. Plus, he just was really lethargic. And so I just kind of took some time and pampered myself. And, one of my friends, my bestie, Annie, her child, they were like, hey, you need to just stop recording and take a break. Because I was like feeling stressed. And I was like, out of the mouth of babes, although they are a teenager, I was like, oh, they're onto something. I'll do what they said. So I did. So anyway, this is going to be Trendmood, and I'm going to explain what is Trendmood, what this box is, and how Trendmood handles their boxes. It's a little different. It's not a subscription service. So you want to learn about that, you can continue on, or I will have chapters. You can skip ahead to see what's inside. Hey, I'm back. And let's talk Trendmood. Now, if you don't know who or what Trendmood is, and you're like makeup, skincare, you better discover them. I think so. You can find them on Twitter and Instagram. And they don't do a beauty subscription box. What they do is they always have, if you want to know what's coming, what makeup to buy, what not to buy, what the new releases are, all those new releases and what's coming back when there's a restock, Trendmood is like the go-to. So, yeah. And then, now and then, sometimes once a month, sometimes twice a month, they will have a special box. And they usually, sometimes it's all stuff from one brand, or they'll have they'll just be collabing with one brand, or there's going to be a bunch of different brands with the specific theme. Now, this one is skincare. And it's one that it was a must-have for me, and it was for First Aid Beauty. And it only cost $39, and they promised 5 items. So I forget what the items all were, but I remember going, there was one item, if I remember correctly, something that I had run out of. I had only gotten a sample size in a beauty box, and I loved it. So I'm kind of pumped to be getting a full size in this box. So, without further ado, now that you know a little bit about Trendmood, check them out on Twitter, check them out on Instagram, see what's up and coming, and see if you can. And the boxes, it's like a first come, first serve. Sometimes they sell out. I think, from what I could tell, you could still find this particular box on their website, trendmood.com. Just go there and purchase it. I sign up for their email, so I get an email to let me know when a new box is coming. And you could watch it. They also mention it on their social media, Instagram and Twitter. They'll be like, hey, we have this box coming up this date, and it's going to come out at this time. And, watch for it. Watch for the email. Sometimes you get a what is that? Before it's released to the public, you can get in there and get the box. Make sure you get the box. So, sign up for the email. It's worth it. So now, without further ado, let's see what's inside. We're gonna bust this bitch open. Choo. I'm being safe. I didn't do it towards me. Put the cap back on and put it away. All right, and I'm opening the box, and let's do this so you all can see. Oh, how cool! Look at this. Yes, they have their Ultra Repair Firming Collagen Cream. This was like a new addition product, and this box was bringing out that new product. So let's see here. I opened up the tissue. This stuff is wrapped well, I gotta tell you. Packaged nicely and securely. Thank you. Okay. Oh, wow. Folks, look at this. It's definitely the full-size items of all First Aid Beauty products. And let's go in there and see what these all are. Okay? So this is the Ultra Repair Firming Collagen Cream with collagen, peptides, niacinamide, and safe for sensitive skin. And I have very sensitive skin, and I'm 48 years old. My skin's been around the block, especially all the outdoors and being in the ocean, and surfing, sunbathing, and swimming, and the chlorine in the pools. I mean, my skin has... So this is, you apply to face and neck twice daily, in the morning and in the PM, or you can use alone or over a serum. And I have been wanting to try this. This is $42. So already, you know, the box was only $39. So with this alone, this was like, no scent. It's totally unscented. That's nice. Thank you. I love First Aid Beauty products, but they're not cheap. Now, here is the Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration, and it is a 6 ounces. This is full size, and it is $36. Yeah, I'm going to bust this open. I'll be using these. Ooh, I like it's got like a... how would I explain the scent? It's eucalyptus kind of a scent. It's a skin protectant, collodial oatmeal. It helps hydrate dry, parched skin. It temporarily help relieve minor irritation and itching due to eczema and other conditions. This is good stuff. This is good stuff. And the facial radiance pads, I had like a little tiny sample of it, and I loved them. I really did. And so here I'm getting the full 60 pad package of these. They are so good. And these pads are $36. So yeah, I'm like, oh, do I want to spend $36? You know, I didn't have to. All right, what else is in here? Oh, this is sealed airtight. It's vacuum sealed in there. This is the Pure Skin Face Cleanser with Fab Oxidant Booster. Removes surface oils, makeup, dirt, and grime, and it's safe for sensitive skin. I have very sensitive skin, folks. In fact, I have to be careful what I wash my clothes and my sheets in. When I go to a hotel or stay someplace else, I bring my own pillows and blankets and bedding because I can get such a bad reaction. And hospital stays have been horrible. My skin just... So, yeah, I like these sensitive skin products. Thank you. Thank you. And this is, let's see here. It's $22. All right. And last but not least, we have the Bump Eraser Body Scrub. Safe for sensitive skin. It's an exfoliant. I want to use this. I need to exfoliate this body. And I'm always real careful about it. So I'm like, I know First Aid Beauty products do well for me. So, and this body scrub is $28. So we got, here are my, I got 5 full-size items, folks. all to help my beauty, give myself a spa day, you know. So, let's go next to our wrap up. So if you want to find out if I really think this is worth it or not, and yeah, you know, let's do the wrap up. All right, here we go, wrapping up. Now, this is just a one-time box. It is available still. If you go on the website, at least at the time of this recording, it is still available, right? It's $39. And do I feel like I got my money's worth without, I'm like, yeah, I did. Just looking at it. 5 full-size First Aid Beauty products. Oh. So the total of everything was $164. In order for me to get this, I'd have to spend $164. But with Trendmood and their special, I only paid $39. And so I saved over $100. It was $125. I feel good. I feel good about this. I wish that First Aid Beauty would have more sales or do something like this more often, because I do really like their products. And so when I get them in my subscription boxes, I'm always like, yay! So when Trendmood had this one-time box with them to bring out their new firming collagen cream, which I'm looking forward to. I really like their Ultra Repair line at First Aid Beauty. I'm older, folks. Like I've said before, I'm an old woman. I'm going to be 49 in a few weeks. Oh shit, I am. Getting closer to 50. Wow. So taking good care of my skin right now, because I do want to keep this young glow I have here. I feel like I don't look at my age, which is a good thing, and I want to keep that up. So I want to take better care of my skin. It's like I need some more firminess, because it is like I got the job sagging, I'm like, ugh, and I don't want to get cosmetic surgery. Okay, folks, I really don't. I had like closest to what they would consider cosmetic surgery with a breast reduction. I was a J cup. Then I got back to a C, D, right in between a C and a D cup. And yeah, thank you. That was a huge change. And I did that for my health. That was for my health and mental and physical health, I got to tell you. Maybe I'll do a video and share that journey. Yeah, it was needed. And I think it's really helped me. I don't feel so dysphoric. I feel better. I wouldn't mind if they were even smaller, to be quite honest. I like having some, but I had been an F cup, and then when I had kids, it like J cup. And F cup was still ridiculous, okay? Seriously, by the time I was 10, I was like a C cup. So yeah, I busted out. I'm busting out. Well, maybe I was like 11, but somewhere in there, So, okay. So I've had so many different surgeries for life-threatening things, and to be able to just try and straighten out my eyes so I can see. And yeah, so I know I'm not going to go in just to have my face done. Nope. No Botox. I don't want to do anything like that. So I want to try these kind of products, and they're so expensive, and I don't want to. I'm a parent also. I have 2 children, and I want to be able to give them a lot of great things, and to give them the things in life that I never got when I was their age. So I do like to shop and save money and still get nice things for myself, because I do want to take care of myself. If I don't take care of myself, how can I take care of others, right? So I want to take care of myself and do these nice things. So yes, Trendmood, when they have these one-time offer boxes, I like to see what it is, because sometimes it's something I really am excited about and I want to get. And sometimes I've missed out because they were sold out by the time I got there. So I got to pay more attention. I was really glad that I was able to get this box, and I hope you can get it too if you like that. And hey, I love you guys. Please subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button, the notification bell, and love you all. Be kind to yourself, be kind to others. I'll see you next time. Bye.